KFI-35P Optical Fiber Identifier Product Introduction and Use. 1. The new design of the Optical Fiber Identifier. All-metal fuselage, anti-drop and durable. Dust cap design, effective dust-proof. Equipped with a high-brightness LED flashlight. Built-in optical power meter, OPM, function. 3 signal frequencies can be identified. Universal for SM and MM fiber. For kinds of chucks, easy to operate and change. The patented design of the fixture storage bin is convenient for storage. Slope design of battery storage compartment, easy to remove the battery. 2. Fiber identifier button function. Push the trigger and the machine turns on. Pull the trigger and the machine turns off. Press the blue button. Turn on the LED flashlight. Press and hold the blue button. Enter the OPM function and display the corresponding icon. Press the orange button to switch 7 wavelengths. Correspond to different optical power meter wavelengths, with beeps of different frequencies. Press and hold the orange button to display the dBm units. Calibration mode. Press the blue button to turn on the LED light. Press and hold the blue button to enter the OPM function. Press the blue and orange buttons at the same time. Enter the calibration mode, and display the corresponding icon and value. Pressing the blue button to decrease the value. Pressing the orange button to increase the value. The standard value is -10 dB. 3. How to use the fiber identification instrument. No need to interrupt your business, and you can test online. It can quickly detect the direction, frequency, and power of fiber optic signals. Microbend test technology. Accurately identify fiber orientation. Install a lens shield to avoid external light interference.